Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, dear student. Today we have chapter 3 from ACT Panda Math uh, for playlist uh, ACT course, ACT course. Okay, chapter number 3, manipulating and solving equation. We will handle the chapter exercise directly, and anyone need to explain any of these examples, please connect me on the channel or through the Telegram group. Also, any problem need to more emphasize, more interpretation, also connect me, please. We'll start with problem number 1. Here we have what is the largest value of A for which there exists a real number value of B is such that A squared plus B squared equals 64. In this case, we have values, we have options. So which better is it look like, which better to plug in, but no, he asking about a real number value of B, value of A and want largest one. So when A is largest one, B should be equal 0. He has no condition. There is no any condition here. So he didn't mention B is 0 or 1 or 2. So both B equals 0. So in this case, the largest number of A square is 64. So A negative or positive root square all 64. We have A, number B. A equal 8. Okay, I hope it's clear now. Number 2, we have this equation here. Very easy to handle it first, or you can put it here on solve directly. I will make it by calculator, but here without calculator if it's better for you. Here is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. So here is 4. So 4 multiply parentheses x minus 1 divided by 4. So we have 7 point, or with calculator can, or we can make simplify 7.5. So x minus 1, transitive operation of plus 1 should be here. So x equal 8.5, option E. We can handle it in calculator directly. Please check the option. Already, the example didn't take even 1 minute. I think it's easy. But if you are very quick in using calculator, can do it by solve. Calculator is allowed. Using calculator here, how we solve it, calculator directly. Just write fraction. Put 2 parentheses in the numerator here, like he write it exactly. Just write alpha x minus 1, then 10 minus 6. In the denominator, we have 3 parentheses, 5. Go to the equality here. Alpha equal, we have write equal and need to write equal to. Then ask the calculator to solve. Shift solve. He asking you, don't care about this value. He asking you solve for x. Now we have to burst this one. It's the same answer like we solved it, 8.5. Okay. Many calculators have this in different color, like yellow or gray. If we have a black one, this is gray or white sometimes, but this is the best fast way, I think. We will go to number 3. Very, very easy one. He asked us for all non-zero, so answer here, not A, Number 3, for all non-zero values A or B and C, which of the following solution X he wants in terms of X. So all we have to do here without any calculator, just put A of X out with a different sign as a transitive. So X plus AX. Also minus C for both sides. So right side should be, left side should be like B minus C. Right side is A of X. So now divided by A, it's clear now we have answer B minus C over A, answer D. Number 3 is D. I hope it's clear. The other question here, not less than 1 minute, by the way. The other option here, if X and Y are positive integers, take care of this word, please. And X minus Y equals 7. What is the least value, possible value of X times Y? So if both are integer and equal 7, this must be 8 minus 1. No other values can determine this one. If we go to 9 minus 2 and so on, cannot take negative at all. So this is the least values of X equal 8, Y equal 1. I hope clear. So the product is B. A times X times Y is 8 times 1, 8. Number B. Answer is B in number 4. I hope it's clear as well. It's about minutes for with explanation. Now number 5, very, very easy, because already we have to check. This one will gone with this one. So the left side is X. Right side, don't forget the sign. 7 minus X, because sign have to make a product. The sign rule is minus minus plus. If we have a different sign, minus or negative times positive give us negative 1. So X equal negative Y. He asked us about X over Y here. So Y will canceling with Y. So the remainder here, or the quotient, is negative 1. Number A, 5 is A. I hope it's clear as well. This is a very easy and very true one, but without calculator first, then we'll write it on calculator. Without calculator is a very smart way to choose the answer without get the final solution. How come? We'll check it now. This is plus, this is minus, come with plus. So we have 0 0.3, 0 0.7 is 1, 3 and 8 is 9. Look like this, don't make any confusion here. 0 and carry up 1 is 9 points. So X, 5.7X plus 3.7X in this term, we convert it. So 9X should be look like this. So here we have to do minus 0.85 minus 8.85. So we have in the right term 1 point minus 8.85. The answer must be in negative. So all of this is wrong. Why answer must be in negative? 1 minus 8 is negative. Okay. By the way, 1 minus 8 is about to be minus 7. Okay. So minus 7 is the most right one, minus 7 and point. So if we get it with over 9, so must be less than negative 1 or less than not 1. This is real fraction, not integer or mixed. Not look like 9 over 7 minus. If 9 over 7 minus, we'll think about integer and mixed number. So the right answer must be B, must be. You can check it by calculator. Now we try to use calculator here and make solve as well. And this is very, very easy and very fast as well. Just 0.5.7 alpha x plus 8.85. This equal, we need it in solve, 1.02 minus 3.3 alpha x. That's all. Ask the calculator to solve. So shift solve, please. This is the last value of last operation. Don't care about he asking you here. Solve for x. Now press this one, exactly number B. You see x equal negative 0.87. Which faster, please do it. Don't waste your time. Just choose one algorithm, one approach, and work with this approach. Don't use both calculator for double check, or you can use calculator from first time. Number 7, what is the value of A that make the equation is right? The same exactly. Back to the calculator is the fastest way, and I will explain it without calculators. So of here, just write fraction 3 minus x, no a here, just x, over 4 minus x as well. So x is instead of a, okay, equal to, this equal we have to write alpha equal another fraction 3 over 5. In just a second, we have, this is no care, solve for x. Now we have it x equal 1.5. Oh, where is 1.5? Anyway, if you are confused here, this is a positive value. So wrong. The same. This is improper. This is real fraction. This is improper here. So this is must be 1.5. Yes, 3 over 2 is look like 1.5. This is less than 1 because the numerator is less than denominator. So is this less than 1? Answer must be E. Okay. Now we will solve it. A mathematician. Okay. No need. Just do it like this. Just for explanation. Okay. Cross product, extremes times mean. So 5 times 3, 15. 5 times minus 8 look like this, 5a, okay, minus 5a, the same. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times minus a look like this. The smallest value goes to the largest value of coefficient. The smallest is negative 5. Will go here, plus 5a plus 5a. So we have 2a. After that, handle the figures only. 15 minus 12, you see. So is 2a equals 3. We have a equal over 2 over 2, 3 over 2, exactly like he get it here, 3 over 2. I hope it's clear, but I think it takes much time. You need you need only 1 minute for each problem in the exam. So I think it takes around 3 minutes. No need to waste your time. Just use calculator if possible. I told you about solve button. You can use it or solve function on the calculator. Any calculator have this property. Okay. Now we have number 8. A over B look like very smart one. I rewrite it. Don't make like me, because I need to make you look like how to look like it. He asked about C over A. We can get A over C according and make a reciprocal one. Okay, how come? If we make product for both sides, this times this, left times left, we have this one, B over C, and here also right times right side. So we have another value. So A over C, just eliminate B and A, B, up and down. This one, A times 1, C times 1. Here, you can use calculator, or if you are smart, you can make it like this. Divided by 3, up and down, divided by 4, up and down. So we have what? We have here 2 over 3. Oh, mister, he asked about C over A, reciprocal. So can make it reciprocal. Yes, C over A, just flip the other side. 3 over 2. We have number D, the option, right option. Okay, there is many way you can make like substitution. I will solve it another way. Maybe it's look like better for you. He asked about A over C. So how come in here? Here should be what? B is 3B over 4. So we have here instead C, instead A. So A here from this one, A equal like this part. So we have to write 3B over 4 here. So just the same here, we want C, substitute by C. So C equal B, we want this one only. So cross product, B times 9 over 8, 9B over 8. So we have to write C up here, 9B over 8. So if we make divided our time is like this, B by B, you can eliminate B with B, okay? So now we have to make the 8 is denominator times 8 up and down. So we have 8 over 3, you see, divided by 4 is 2. Here's 3 over 2, divided by 3 here, divided by 3 here. We have what? We have 3 over 2, the same exactly. The best or the better method for you, please use it. Which one you understand it well, use it. If still not clear, please ask me for another method or repeat any of both methods for you. So the answer is D. Number 8 answer is D. Number 9 is very smart as well. What is the possible values of x such that x y square equal 48 equals 48, x and y are integers, belong to Z. So the best way is plug in the values. We have here 2. So we have to check 2 first. 2 value of what? Value of x. He asked about values of x possible here. So cannot solve it, by the way. Cannot, never, ever cannot solve it, because it's one only solution with 2 different variables, one first degree and one second degree. Cannot solve it. So just plug in the values. X equal to, if x equal to get us y, a positive integer, we will see this is times 2 divided by 2. This is should be a half of 4, half of 8, half of 40 is 20, half of 8 is 4. Y square equal to 24 cannot take root, cannot be, never ever cannot be. So first of all, not A, not B. Check 1. If we check 1 and 1 is working, so we are C or E. If 1 not working, the answer should be D. Okay? Check 1 if works or not. So x is 1, just plug in. Y square equal 48, so it's 1. So divided by 1, not working like this. So root all as well, this is not square number. So root cannot be Z. So must be D. Must be D. You can check any value of 3, 12, and 48. You will get Y is integer positive value. Okay, this is called tactics or strategies. Solve of uh, uh, ECT or SAT exams, tests, is plug-in strategies. Okay, one of your toolbox, you have keep it in your mind during the exam. Number 10 is very smart as well for positive real numbers, maybe root or maybe fraction. It's up to you, but cannot substitute because I will set value. We will set up values for whatever we want to compare. He want to compare, okay? First of all, the common y. So you can set a value of y and check y is bigger or smaller than. If y in the middle, you can choose one of these. How we set a value? Set real, positive. So can set y 1? Yes, can. It's real positive number. So if y equal 1 here, so what's the value of the 2/3 would be look like this. So make a reciprocal here times 3/2 for both sides. If someone don't care about or don't know about the reciprocal, so z is, if z is fraction, so z is small one, so should be quarter here. So y more than z, okay? Y more than c. This is first step. Y more than c here can no y here, this one or this one. Y more than z or z, okay? The answer is A or B. All of this is wrong. Okay. The same set value for this equation. If we put, I will change the color, put y equal 1. So 2 times 1 is 2, 5x. So x as well should be 5, you see? So if y at 1 in both sides, x more, x less than, so the same, x, y, we already, we make it before, we decide both y more than z. And this case is, two cases only, y more than z, okay? But here we make a double check, y more than x, sorry. Then now what is the relationship between z and x? You can check about the value at y equal 1. So we can compare here now, because already y equal 1 in both. So quarter is bigger, or quarter for z at y equal 1, or x 2/5 is better. How we compare this very fast way? It's very clear. This is 0. By calculator 0.4, 0.25. This one is bigger. Finish. In another way, without calculator, cross product comparing, 4 times 2 is 8, 5 times 1 is 5. So 8 is bigger. So 2/5 is bigger. 2/5 represent x at y equal 1. Quarter represents z at y equal 1. We already checked it by calculator before. As I told, the answer is A. The last question we have in this, I hope this is very clear for you. If need any emphasize or any more explanation, please write to us. This one is a harder one because you have to make it by calculator, would be very fast. We have a many methods, but I think this is the best and fast one. Just cross product 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 2y, 6y. Okay, cross product here 4 times 3, 12x, 4 times minus y minus 4y. We have to put y's value in one side, x's value on one side. So should be better. The smallest one goes to the first one. The smallest one goes to the largest one. So this is small of y plus 4y plus 4y. or mentally. 4 comes here, become 10y, one step. Another step, 3x goes here by minus. So it should be minus 3x. If need more explain, don't make like me. Just make it mentally, please. 9x. Both are positive. All options are positive. Okay, no worry. He need, where's the denominator? Where's the numerator? He need a y. X is numerator. Y is denominator divided by y. So the answer here is very clear. 9 come out here, divided by 9, divided by 9. So the answer is clear. 9 goes with 9. So x over y is 10 over 9. Very easy, I think. And I think this is the fast way. Okay. If anyone has another quick way, please share us with. Share it with us, please. Alhamdulillah, we finished this chapter, manipulating and solving equation. Next episode on expression, chapter 4. See you, dear students, next episode. Goodbye.